Well, continuing coverage of the Airway Heights water crisis tonight. Over the weekend, we learned of a massive voluntary recall linked to the water contamination. Washington Correctional Industries recalled more than 300,000 pounds of food and even halted production for days. And today, Cyrus O'Leary's Pies decided against a recall. KXLY4's Caroline Flynn shows us why.
The pie distributing giant Cyrus O'Leary's, which makes at its Airway Heights factory upwards of 12,000 pies each day, says that after taking a number of steps to analyze the risk, they have determined that due to a low water content, their pies pose no health risk. Cyrus O'Leary's CEO Barclay Klingel says the water advisory has presented some challenges to the company. After becoming aware of the water warning May 16th, they immediately began the process of suspending production to develop a plan and determine whether pulling products off the shelves would be necessary. They hired Intertech, a risk assessment firm that specializes in advising food manufacturers who find themselves in situations that may warrant a recall. In Klingel's lengthy statement to KXLY, he wrote, "By Wednesday afternoon, May 17th, Intertech completed a preliminary analysis, leading us to feel very comfortable that our pies were well within the EPA's limits and that a recall was not necessary." Intertech's analysis found that the consumption of one slice of pie per day, every day over the course of a lifetime, would be 10 to 50 times lower than the EPA's advised limits. For example, one slice of this chocolate cream pie contains 1/3 of an ounce of water, about 2 teaspoons. The average daily human consumption the EPA uses to establish their limits is 1.5 to 2 liters of water, so about 2 of these. Out of caution, Cyrus O'Leary's trucked in potable water from the city of Spokane in a stainless steel tanker. They will use that water to formulate their pies until Airway Heights is directly tied to the city of Spokane lines. KXLY4 reached out to Cyrus O'Leary's for an interview multiple times since our first inquiries on Sunday morning. Each request has been denied. Reporting in studio, Caroline Flynn, KXLY4 News.